Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. So here's a quick guide on how to put screen protector on your Google Pixel Watch 2.
So I just received a screen protector, the Pixel Watch 2, although it says for Pixel Watch. It doesn't say for Pixel Watch 2. The screen is the same size, so it should work. This is a TPU sort of screen protector. Have a look. Not sure about the bumpers yet because they make the watch a bit thick. So what do you think? I got 6 of these little screen protectors here. Look. So I think pour this back in the packet. Just keep the one out. And in here you have a microfiber cleaning cloth, squeegee, I guess to remove dust. Not much really to do. I'll give the screen a quick nice clean. So this one covered the whole screen on the Pixel Watch, the screen protector, but I think it will just cover the main area really. It's not going to go around the edges. I wish it did. I've seen some glass sort of tempered screen protectors that kind of goes around but it doesn't. And I think these wouldn't work on this one because of the crown as well, so I didn't want to try them. So anyway, let's see how this one goes. I had one of those on my Apple Watch ages ago and it looked okay, so I expect it should be fine on this one. So you have to do dividing line. The crown goes in here. Okay. Seems okay. Guess it's only gonna need to get by. Not get a scratch in the brand new watch. There's a bubble here. It sort of feels okay actually. It feels quite smooth, like almost like the glass. So there shouldn't be any issues of having any problems with the touch sensitivity of the screen. Just pushing the few bubbles out. So what I'll do, just try to blend it into the edges so you don't have any rough bits sticking out. And there's a tiny one here as well, still visible. Give it another clean. Quick wipe. To be honest, you can't really tell if there's a screen protector there, which is kind of nice. I mean, I think it costs about $6.99 from Amazon. Comes with 6 of those, so it's not bad. Obviously, if it went covered the edges, it would be nice, but let's show you how far it goes. Can you see that line there? Which is a good thing that you can't see. I guess it will do the job for now. Just keep the watch from getting scratched. Last thing you want. As I said, I don't really have a case or anything for it. Yeah, let's have a quick look at it as to how the touch responsiveness is. So yeah, it's fine. I think it'll do the job. We'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. And I think this will also be compatible with those bumper cases if you apply them, because it's not going all the way to the side of the glass, so it will work just fine. Yeah, it's quite soft and quite smooth on my Galaxy Watch, I've never bothered putting a screen protector on because of the raised bezel. It's kind of protected the screen very well, but with this watch it's a whole different story because there's no protection at all. First thing that's going to get hit if you touch anything is going to be the glass. Okay, that should do it.
So that's all for today, guys. I'll leave the link for the screen protector in the description box. If you do buy from the link, I will get a small commission from Amazon at no cost to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you find the video helpful, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Thank you so much. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.